Hello viewers across the globe, welcome to InfoDem. In this short video, once again I want to show you how to participate in Portal Airdrop. If you go to your Binance right now and you go to new listing, you will see Portal there. Portal will be launched or will be listed in the next 6 days. That is about 146 hours 55 minutes from this time. So that is why it is very important that you quickly key in to this airdrop. So I want to show you briefly how you can participate in this airdrop. And please, I want to beg you, this is the right time to make money in crypto space. If you want to make money, you make money freely before the bull run will commence. Bitcoin halving is just around the corner and everybody is taking position for the bull run. So take advantage of all this airdrop and make sure you are not left out. So I want to show you how to participate in this Portal airdrop. Also, in the description box below, I will drop another airdrop link there. That is SHIBAAI. You can still do something with that. That one will be listed in less than 2 days, but you can still do something. So all you need to do if you want to participate in this Portal airdrop is to go to the description box of this video and click the link there. Once you click the link there, it will take you open through your browser and take you to the main portal of Portal airdrop. As you can see, we have 6 days left, 21 hours, 32 minutes, and 28 seconds. So there are 2 options here. If you scroll down, we have airdrop, we have presale. Presale is if you want to buy it now, you can buy it with Ethereum. You click presale, you go there. But right now, I'm not teaching you on how to buy. I want to teach you how to get this free airdrop. So what do? The next thing you do from this point is to click airdrop. As you can see, if you have done that, what do you do here? You put your Ethereum address here. You put your Ethereum address here. How do you get your Ethereum address? I'll be using my Trust wallet. So let us go there. So as you can see, this is my Ethereum here. This is my Ethereum here. After BTC, I click Ethereum. If you have done that, the next thing you want to do from this point is to click receive. When you click receive, you come down here and copy the address. Then you go back to the airdrop portal. Then you put your Ethereum address here and click claim. As you can see, immediately you click claim, your referral link will be generated. So all you need to do is to copy this referral link. You copy this referral link and use it to refer people. As you can see, this is my balance. Right now, I already have 100 Portal for registering. So each person that you refer will give you, as you can see, copy your referral link, invite friend and join. We both get 100. That means each person you refer will give you 50 Portal. So that is how to go about it. That is how you go about it. So if you want to withdraw, all you need to do is to just click withdraw point. Once you withdraw, it will land in your Trust wallet before this coin will be listed. So I want to encourage you to share this video, watch this video, let others benefit from this video. Until I see you in my next video, I say be good.